get your tools ready because we're about to tackle this log cabin renovation, taking this old weathered wood and transforming it into a luxurious masterpiece. Now let's take a quick look at the layout of this property. It's sitting on just over 1.5 acres, right outside of the Midlands area of South Carolina. Now, as you can see, they painted this beautiful wood with an ugly yellow color with some blue accents, which I'm not a homesteader, but this feng shui ain't really flowing with me. So our goal is to come in here. I'm going to have the crew paint it as close as we can get to a natural darker wood look, and we'll give it some black trim. It might sound kind of funky, but just wait for the final product. So we bought this property. The lady was somewhat in a distressed situation. She had a lot of bad memories inside of this house, and her son passed away here. So she was detached, right? Just in a really dark area of her life. And she wanted to move up to Minnesota to be closer with her other son so that she could be a part of her granddaughter's life and just get away from the old memories here. So she contacted us on our website. We met her out on the property, told us she wanted $90,000, and we inked it up right there. Whoop! Fresh contract, let the ink dry, sent the contract to the attorney, and we closed it 3 weeks later. So we helped this lady out of this situation. We got the moving trucks ready to go so that we could get her situated and help her move up to Minnesota to be with her family. Now, this is going to be the first log cabin that we've ever renovated. We flipped a bunch of houses, hundreds of houses in my tenure, but this is the first cabin. So it'll be a pretty fun experience as you guys get insight watching the crew come through, tearing out all the old carpet, all the dander, all of the debris and junk that's left behind, and we're going to transform this old cabin into a masterpiece.